guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to draw a dying maple leaf. You might be thinking why the leaf is dying. We are in the month of October and we have a beautiful autumn season. You know, trees begin to turn colorful, their leaves rustle on the branches and tumble down onto the ground. There are smells of wet and decay of plants and leaves, fungi in the woods, of damp moss and ferns, so and so. We are actually heading towards winter season. So I thought to welcome autumn season to my channel. I have planned to bring you some beautiful autumn season drawings even in the upcoming videos. If you like my work, my drawing, my paintings, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will get all the notification whenever I post a new videos. And even you can comment, and if you like my work, please give a thumbs up. And the colors whatever I'm using is coming on the screen. If you want, you can follow that. It's about just I take a reference, and it's up to you what are the colors you need to add on, and where you want dark, where you want light. Everything you can fix it. You can have your own plans. It's not necessary that you have to follow the reference pic. You need just a origins to start, then everything naturally flows from your mind. That's how you enjoy your painting. I love this season, autumn season. Some places it's raining and we can see the snowfall. In some places it's warm, weather is warm and sunny also. And days are very short. So soon it becomes evening and dark. But it's beautiful season actually. And we are heading towards winter, and that's also called as a death season. But people love that season because we have to celebrate Christmas, the beautiful festival. People love that snowfall, Christmas tree, bell, Santa Claus. So all these, we cannot forget all these things. These are the beautiful things the life has given us. So this is the plan. Like upcoming few videos will definitely focused on the winter season and the autumn season especially. So my maple leaf is getting ready. I need some highlights to make it little realistic. I'm using black and a dark brown because the edges of the leaves are folded here and there, because as it's dying, it's getting dry. The leaf edges are folding and this is completely torn out and it's getting decayed slowly. So it's a color of brown. So dark gray and brown. So this is how I have show the dark and lighted areas. Still I need a little white to show some white patches here and there. I'm focusing on all those uneven edges. I love those uneven edges, torn leaves. And I have shown when the edges are folded up and we can see the light and dark areas. Underneath of this leaf, it's kind of light peach in color. And a small stem is attached to this leaf. It's in complete dark brown. I'm using ordinary pencil to make the veins and little highlights. I need edges to be a little sharp and highlighted. So I'm focusing on all the small edges, twists and turns. That's all. I'm done. My name is written And with the date, I need one more thing to complete, that is shadow. If I make a little shadow of this leaf underneath this leaf, it's going to look more as natural, a leaf. That's all. The work is done. So it is the first video of the autumn season. Subscribe and support my channel. I hope you like this video. If you comment about my work, it helps me to progress and bring you many more beautiful videos. Thank you for watching. I'll meet you on another autumn season special. Until then, take care. Bye bye.